Hello, today we're going to see how to set up your payment password in Alipay. This is really easy. The first thing we need to do is open our Alipay app on, in our phone. Right here, we're going to select this option called account, and right here we're gonna click this button right here, and then we're gonna click this option right here, use user protection center. And right here, uh, we're gonna set our password, uh, our payment password in this app. Okay, it's really easy. Right here, you're gonna you're going to do a few steps to realize to to finish your payment password, and there you go. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.